Piece of cake, unwrapping English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a sweet and easy English idiom. It's a piece of cake. This phrase is a delicious part of the English language, and understanding it will not only make your conversations more flavorful but also help you grasp how English speakers express the concept of something being very easy. So, let's get into the mix and see why this idiom is a piece of cake to learn. The phrase, "it's a piece of cake," is used to describe something that is very easy to do or achieve. Imagine slicing through a soft, moist cake. It requires little effort and is straightforward. Similarly, when someone says a task is a piece of cake, they mean it's as easy as eating a delightful slice of cake. This idiom is commonly used in both professional and casual settings, making it a versatile expression in the English language. The exact origin of "it's a piece of cake" is a bit hazy, but it is believed to have been popularized in the 20th century. Some sources suggest it came from the practice of giving cakes as prizes for winning competitions, especially in the American culture, where winning something as easily as receiving a cake made the task seem simple. Understanding the background of this idiom can help learners appreciate its usage and cultural significance in English. To get comfortable with using "it's a piece of cake," let's look at some examples. Don't worry about the exam. I've studied all the topics, and it's going to be a piece of cake. She thought fixing the car would be difficult, but it turned out to be a piece of cake for her. Learning to ride a bike might seem challenging at first, but with a bit of practice, it's a piece of cake. Notice how the phrase can be used to convey ease, confidence, and simplicity in various situations. While "it's a piece of cake" is straightforward, here are some pitfalls to avoid. Don't use it for situations that are genuinely hard or serious. It might come off as insensitive. Remember, it's an informal idiom, so it might not be suitable for very formal or academic contexts. And that wraps up our tasty journey through the idiom, "it's a piece of cake." We hope this video has made understanding and using this phrase as easy as, well, a piece of cake. English is filled with fascinating expressions like this, and mastering them will add flavor and color to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using "it's a piece of cake" in your English conversations. See you in the next video.